Hey everybody, this is Adam here with another puppet story to help teach a lesson about name calling. Yes, name calling. I have a really good friend here. It's the whale. Hello everybody. Hello. So glad to see you. And we have somebody new on today. His name is the rat. Oh, that is me, the rat. I have a crazy tail and I don't like people. I'm sorry to hear that, little rat. That's right. So, we're going to teach some lessons about name calling.
First of all, it does not feel good to be called names.
No, it really doesn't, because if you have a name, you should probably call the person by the name that they want to be called.
Oh yeah? What if I call you Big Blue Beluga?
What? Calling me a name? Inconceivable.
Oh, believe it.
Whoa, Mr. Rat. What if he really doesn't want to be called Big Blue Blah?
Did you call me a name?
No. I was just trying to say Big Blue Beluga, and I was having a hard time with that.
I don't like that name either.
I'm laughing because I'm making you mad.
Time out. In this case, it really looks like the rat over here is trying to make the whale over here mad. The whale needs to realize that and be like, oh, you're trying to make me mad. I am not going to fall for that. All right, let's do that.
Aren't you getting mad?
No, I am not gonna get mad. You can call me whatever name you like. It's just not nice, and I will not listen to you.
What? What if I call you a big smelly?
Doesn't matter.
What if I call you the biggest eater ever?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, don't understand.
Look at that, Mr. Whale. You did a great job. You figured it out. When someone is calling you names, they might be trying to make you mad.
I don't want to be mad.
I know you don't want to be mad, so when you're called names, you can ignore it and just realize I don't have to react. Ignore it and react when you're called names.
Thank you.
And thank you for being such a good listener and handling name calling. Nice job.
Thank you.
And thank you for listening about name calling.